Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to generate unlimited images to videos for free AI tools in 2025. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Google Chrome browser and I just go use a ChatGPT and Leandro AI as well as Hail You AI. So three important sites I would like to share with you. This is a AI beautiful tools. First and foremost, chat gpt, as you know, so you can able to type whatever information, so you can get a lot of a prompt over here in chat gpt. So simple and easiest way, the 3 years old kid playing with a lion, write a proper prompt for an AI image, have given the text over here, so automatically it will generating a create an image, a 3 years old child playful interacting with a friendly lion in a safe, like a prompt automatically chat gpt is given. So if you want, I just copy and paste in the message in chat gpt. I just run the things, means automatically the prompt will be ready. Yeah, so the prompt is ready. So now I just want to copy the prompt over here. So now I would like to introduce a website called image generator, that is AI image generator, leandro.ai. so I have given the description link, just click the link, that link will direct you to this leandro.ai. so here you need to click here to launch app, so that it will direct you to the main page of sign up. So this is a simple and easiest way. If you have a Google account, just click here to log in. So there is no other uh, any other difficult steps. So just click here for the Google account, automatically it will log in with your Gmail account. Yes, I just continue this. So Leandro account will be open here. So it is 100% freeware, so I used to have for my school and college project as well as my work project. So this is a face of leandro.ai, so you can able to analyze and see what are the files are there. So let's pick up your username, so automatically it will generate your username. If you want to agree this receive updates or tips, you can give enable, otherwise you can disable this option, agree the terms and conditions also you can give. Let's go. So once I click let's go, automatically leandro.ai image generation will be open here. So I just want to select this one, start generating. Yeah, so start generating, automatically image generating will be open here. So get started, would you like to quick tour? So if you want, you can quick tour, otherwise just click here to no thanks and finish this intro. So now you can give the prompt here, so you can type the prompt, otherwise you can copy the prompt from chat gpt and just paste in this. So generate an image, 3 years old child happily playing with a friendly lion in a lush and open field, like that. So I have given a prompt. So I just click here for generate. So once I click here to generate, automatically it will generating my entire images. So you can able to see, so whatever imagination you have, everything will be displayed over here. So this is a simple and easiest way to understand, to get information. See, my image is generated with my prompt over here. So here there is a beautiful option the Leandro AI image generation will give. So for example, so model and prompt enhance automatic, or only you have to give whatever you want. You can give according to your need, and dynamic style or 3D or animatic, anything you can give, so according to your need. So I just give dynamic so that you can choose, and image dimension also you can give. For example, I want to use this one for the YouTube or Instagram or any type of things, I can choose for the YouTube. So I can choose a 16:9 for the minimum size, so that I can able to generate what type of things, and large also you can use, but it is quite premium, so don't use this one. So use the freeware, so with the 16.9 inch, so this itself will give a lot of beautiful images over here. So as you see here, so you can able to generate, and we can able to view this images. If you want, you can download the high quality definition images. This is what in 2025 I would like to share with you. So this is a beautiful website, so I can able to download this image without any other hesitation, and I can able to see the quality of the image. So it is a beautiful, and it is a clarity wise, it is too good. That's why I used to have for my project work everything. So that's why I would like to share with you guys. So see, the clarity of the image with the shape and everything will be fine. So the whatever prompt I have given, everything will be generating as a AE format. Similarly, so I just want to give kind of any type of words I just want to give. So kind of snake with small kid, create a prompt for a image. I just give something, I just give and just click enter. So automatically ChatGPT will generate a beautiful prompt over here. So I just want to copy this one. So I just go to leandro.ai. So I just want to type a prompt. So before you are giving the information, just make sure your image dimension will be there, so as well as the generate the files. So automatically it will generating the files, so without delay, so automatically it will give a beautiful AI image. So this is what I would like to share with you guys in 2025. So use this image options, you can create and generate beautiful options, as you see. So each and every models has a different idea. See this, so with the snake also, the kid is playing with a beautiful image, as you see here. The clarity, the size of the image, everything will be in fine. So I just click here to download the image. So once I click here to download the image, automatically the image will be downloaded. The clarity, see the clarity of the image, also very nice and beautiful. So this is a beautiful AI. So if you know any other AI image generators, you just give a comment in comment box so that people can know the lot of images J generator will be there. Yeah. So now I want to convert this one into a video. I would like to introduce HailU.ai. So how I can assist today? So you can ask from this prompt and it will automatically generate the HailU video also. So I just click here to copy and paste. So create an video. So I just want to choose a video. Just click here for the prompt. So automatically prompt will be ready. So login, continue. So use same Google account to log in with your ID. So I just click here my Google account to create generate a ID. So simple and easiest way, use your Gmail account or create your simple email account so you can have your things. Yeah. So there is a prompt is given, so it is giving a lot of informations. So this is a chat GPT like that. So just click here for the video. So HailU.ai, the video generation will be open here. So quick create will be there, so you can able to create your video. See, these are the simple videos we can use. So continue as a AI with the format. So I just want to create a quick create option, so you can able to try this kind of AI options also. So I got it. So if I want to drag and paste the image, I can able to make that image into a video. So what I have to do here, so I just choose the image, the playing lion or a snake. I can choose whatever I want. I just to choose this one and just go and drag and drop the image. So automatically it will generate. So if you want, you can share the story here. So if you want to share the story, the kid playing with lion, so you can type a story also and you can generate. So if you want, you can choose the model also. So base image or this thing, I just choose a base image, I just create. So it will take time to create a beautiful a video. So once everything is created, automatically it will generate and it will show a beautiful video. So this is what I would like to share. So job is in queue. So once it's done, automatically it will view a beautiful video, as you see here. So it will take time to generate the video and I can able to show on the last of this video. So if you like these tips, you can share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.